Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me. Today, I'm going to be going through the Jenkins-X um, basically cycle and development cycle. Uh, this earlier this morning on the CD Foundation Twitch stream, Adam Roberts and I got Jenkins-X up and working on Minikube on a machine on the IBM Cloud. Uh, we used Minikube to work around with Jenkins-X. It was pretty neat. We did some cool stuff. We got it all connected. I'll put a link in the description to the actual stream if you want to see it, how we got it working. But we didn't actually go through the process of the development cycle. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to edit the HTTP Go project. I'm going to push up a PR to do that. We'll see it go through the Jenkins-X process and then, or for the initial build, and then see the changes. Then we'll merge it and we'll push it in, just to kind of have a nice little walkthrough of how everything kind of comes together. So let's go ahead and get that going. All right. So first thing first, I need to share or move my screen over. So here we go. And as you can see here, hopefully this is big enough. Let's make it a little bit bigger. The version we are running is 3.0566, which is the newest. Then it was just released. If I bring over, let's see here. Not that one. That's the wrong one. Bring over. Where'd it go? This one right here. So as you see, the newest version was released 6 hours ago of 3.0566. This is the actual steps what we went through. If you haven't seen them yet, again, I'll link to the video. And then we did the quick start. If you see this Jenkins-X Go HTTP is a very straightforward little Go application. As you see in this main.go, we have a title, which that's what I'm going to change and create the PR, and we listen on port 8080. So let's go ahead and do our first thing first, which is if I was a developer and I needed to do this, what I would do, as you see, we have Jenkins-X still running here. Just some debugging stuff to kind of see what's going on. Okay, so I come over here and Jenkins-X HTTP. See? So if I do git checkout dash bjj update name, sure, why not? Vim main go. And as I said, the title of Jenkins-X Go, so and say, hello from JJ's test to change a PR. Seems like a reasonable thing to say. What I'll do is do git branch to make sure I'm on the correct branch. Yep. Git status. There we go. Git. I don't have that. Okay. Git add period. Git commit ish. So what I'll do is I added. Oh no, actually, what I want to do is git commit dash s. Yes. There we go. Got to do that sign off by. I'm got to be a good citizen and sign for that GCO. So then I'll do updated the from so we can see changes. Updated the title. There we go. Oops. So git push origin JJ update name. You should see GitHub be happy. Yep. Okay. So if I come back over here and I go to pull requests, we don't have one yet, but we can create one, which we will. Updated the title. That looks like a change. And then there we go. let's go ahead and create that pull request. And this should talk to it. So there we go. We got the DCO passed, and now we are running our pipeline. So JX pipeline. Log. So we are running pipeline PR3. Reset. So run 3. No. JX pipeline quest. No. So we are still going. I was hoping to see the actual process. Lighthouse is not happy, but that's understandable. JX. Let's see here. That looks like it did everything I was hoping it would do it. Oh, here we go. So we are, the HTTP 1 is being moved. This is 1? Yes, it is 1. So I was actually looking at the wrong one. So if I do pipeline list, oops, pipeline log, Jenkins-X pipeline PR. There we go. That's what we're going for. So here's the actual log of the PR being built. We should see this coming to the staging when it's completed. It does take a little bit of time. So we're running at 2 minutes right now. Trying to keep this half and half. Now, if you notice, I do this as myself. When you're setting up your Jenkins instance, you can use your own bot user, which is probably better, so you don't have like yourself doing it. But this is kind of neat. I'm not going to lie. I'm actually quite impressed with this. So let's see here. Just thinking about it. So it's still building. So if I do there we go. So we're still building stuff. We are doing the PR build, still going, as we can see at the top here. Still going. All right, so if I come over here and type bind E resize pane up 10, so I should be able to go Control B, E. There we go. So that seems like it's going. So then if I do says bind T down 10. So if I do, there we go. So I should really save that. That is very helpful. We are still chugging along. Not too sure what we're doing. Still snapshot of the files. Save that for later. Let's see how we're going on over here. Anything special? Anything changed? Nope. Still going. I'm not too sure what taking snapshot of files mean. It seems a little kill pane. Let's go back over here. We don't need that one anymore. Need that one. So pipeline run. It looks like it is still, oh no, it's still running. And I do like how that it's called PR, so you actually know the PR that it's going against. That is kind of neat. So let's take some notes here. Okay, it looks like it's doing what I want it to. Still going. I wish there was a little bit more exciting things to see, but unfortunately there's not. As you can see right there, I'm going to go ahead and kill this one. Kill pane. PSWX, grep JX. Looks like we're still going. Still taking that snapshot. Minikube status. Nothing too crazy is happening there. Still going. If I try to do slash prove, what happens there? I'm not part of the owners, so does it say that I'm not part of the owners? Oh, no, I am an approver. Automatically got put in there. That's cool. So that didn't look like it did anything. So how about I assign it to myself first? Maybe. There we go, self-assigned. Now I do a slash approve, right? Assign it, slash approve, comment. That should now change. Maybe. I'm not too sure what's going on here. Just kind of sitting here. Just add the label. That's interesting. I can't just add the label. Still going. Our history grep JX. There was a command that Adam showed me, which was JX admin log. No, JX pipeline log. I think that's what we were seeing earlier. Yep, still just doing the snapshot. Okay. Campaign. Doesn't look like it lets it go very well, which is a little bit annoying. I wish I could see something else. Okay, get pipeline run or kube, get pipeline runs. Still running. So maybe if I do good old get pods dash njx. What do I see running? Here we go. This guy. Kube ctl logs pod dat jx. Where are we? Oh, there's a few things going on in here. Oh, man. Okay. So we are still stuck. This is not boding well. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stop the video while this is running. Well, no, I'll just mute myself because, no, hang on. Setting at 12 minutes. Just seems like so long. Container. So let's just say that's first clone. Is that the setup right there? So grab this, do container. So it's done, setup clone, get setup. Is that where you're stuck? Nothing's going on there. Clone. Oh, hold on. That looks like it did something. Setup. Okay. So maybe it finally kicked off? No. But if I come back here, setup builder home is where we're now stuck. Doesn't look like anything's going on. That's annoying. I'm going to give it 20 minutes. Did a 20-minute timeout and something back there too. It was just a little odd. From build pack. I hope my mini cube is doing okay. It's not like in a bad state or something. PSWX more, or I should say, do I have HTOP installed in this thing? No, I don't. Sudo dnf install HTOP. Ah. All right, so nothing, running along just fine. Nothing terribly crazy. Not gonna lie, it's a lot of usage here, but it looks fine. Nothing's too far out of the room. So in 15 minutes. Oh, there we go. Oh, here we go. So all right, so something's happening here. Took a little bit of time. We're getting somewhere now. All right. Okay, looks like it's done. So if I come back over here, we should see completed. Good. Okay. So then I come back over here. There we go. PR built successfully. I can go there now. So what I'm going to do, that's not actually going to go anywhere because of my XIP, but I should be able to, over here now, do curl this. There we go. Hello from JJ's test PR. So that means I've now successfully pushed out to my staging. So if I do get pods staging, I should see, there we go. Wait. No? Okay, I'm going to close that for now. Get namespaces. Oh, it created its own namespace for it. Nice. Okay, so get pods -n. Oops. Get pods n. There we go. There we go. 115 seconds. So that's our preview now. So that's actually really cool. So we do have a staging environment. So before we go into production, so does that mean I can now merge this PR? And does this go into staging now? Let's find out. All right. Sorry about that. That was my insulin pump being angry at me. So now, okay. So now that we've done this, that's a first good start. So I'm going to go ahead and merge this now, confirm this merge, because it's what I wanted. So that is now the change that I wanted. It's now pushed in here. Now what happens next? Does that mean I have that namespace? So I liked that. So now something's going on here. Here we go. Pending, running stages. So what are you doing now? View details. Pipeline successful. Now do you go into staging next? Or do you go into... Oh, it looks like you can tag it as version 002. So that means I should be able to go to JX. I should be able to come over to JX logs. No. That's weird. I'm not going to play with that one right now. So we don't need to worry about this branch anymore. That's now gone. You are still doing something. So JX admin logs. No. JX pipeline log. So that's you. Okay, so you are now trying to release version 2. But where are you releasing it into? You are releasing it into, I'm hoping, staging. So this is the tag for 2. It has not released it. Okay. I don't have a PR over here for anything crazy because this is just my configuration. Oh, there's that again. There's Power DevOps again. Copy this. Go back over here. Issues. Now it's still doing that thing. Okay. So we're taking a snapshot now. Hopefully this doesn't take another 20 minutes. So SSH. Okay, so Q federal get pipeline runs. You're still running that. Still doing my release. Okay. Nothing too crazy. That looks healthy. Jenkins-X logged. No, this seems so weird. JX. Get. Pipelines. No. Get build. Logs. It's the same thing. Build pods. Still running. So I guess we're just waiting for this to finish. Then we'll be able to release. I wish it could give me just a little bit more information. Don't see anything crazy going on over here. I don't think so. Oops. Yeah, nothing crazy. Still just doing that little dot, which is this guy right here. I wish there was more things for me to say, but it looks like we're just waiting on this instance now. It could be that it is running in Minikube, and that's the reason why it's taking so long. I mean, I'm willing to, give it the benefit of the doubt, but these 20-minute iterations is really long, especially when you're trying to play with the stuff. And I really do want to see this finish first. So let's give it a few minutes. The eventual goal is to promote our environment, or our staging one, which hopefully we'll see in staging here in a second, because we had our PR built in its own namespace. Then we move it into staging, which is the release, what we're doing here. And then we should be able to push this into production. Would be interesting, and this is literally what we're doing right now. This is exactly what we're hoping to. Merge the master, it goes into staging, and then we do JX promote, which is one little thing, one little annoyance, because you do have to run that in the command line, but it makes sense. Nexus. If you didn't notice, the doc did not say, you know what? I'm just going to make it easier and go back over to here. Chart Museum, Nexus, and Grafana. Oh. We're going to add on like Grafana. Go ahead and get a Grafana. There we go. Copy. Added a link to Grafana because you mentioned it below. Always got to be a good citizen. So I don't need this anymore. Is it done? Is it still building? According to this, it's still building, and that's what we're seeing here. I really want to know why taking a snapshot of files is so slow. Still going. All I want to do is promote it. Not asking too much here. So I did learn something new, which was it did come out to its own PR namespace, which was nice. I did merge successfully into master, which was good. And I saw the PR namespace. So this should be pushing into staging now, but we're still stuck at taking snapshot of files. It just seems so long because there's really nothing else here. Maybe I'll put an issue in on Jenkins-X COI issues. Taking snapshot of files. There we go. Now it happens. That was almost exactly 20 minutes, 17 minutes. Damn. So that's not work. That's not consistency. Could also be because I decided to open up that issue. But in running JX v3 on a mini cube instance, it seems taking. Oh, okay. So now so we created a new pull request, and from here, this should be now. This is the promoting of version 2 into staging. Okay, so this is me as an owner of our configuration system. Is me saying that yes, version 2 can now go into no, wait, no, it has to build it all. Then this will be done automatically. Okay, cool. So I don't have to do anything yet. If I come back over here to here, I should see this be green. Yes. So if I do JX, type on logs. So that release is what I was just watching, right? Yes. So we created that pull request. Do I need to merge that? I don't think I do. This should be automatically merged because it's in the merge pool. Yep, there we go. So it actually ran it. Everything was cool. You should merge this for me now, right? Because according to this, where is it? Little diagram. Where'd the little diagram go? This should merge itself. I shouldn't need to do this, right? So if I do JX get applications, that's version 1. Version 1 is in staging. Also get, what was it? Previews. That is the, no. There we go. Now it's merged. Okay, cool. So that should mean now, if I come over to applications, I should see staging get bumped to version 2 soon. There it is. Okay, cool. So now it's a 2. So now, if I want to go to production, I run the promote command as we did last time. Promote, so JX. So if I do this one, do curl against that. Oh, it's restarting it. There we go. So now we see our change. Yay! Okay, cool. I'm just going to run this command. And if you watch the other video, you can actually see it complete. But if I do JX promote promote my promote dash app Jenkins-X go HTTP dash version 002 env production, and that'll go off and push it in. And we actually see it happen here. This should go into creating the pull request for 5, as we see right here. There we go. And we are pushing that into 5. It's doing the verify, and it is completed. So that looks like it's really it. Hopefully y'all learned something. We did actually go through the full cycle, so we did actually see the PR. It did take a little bit longer than I was expecting, but that's fine. Hopefully this will make you want to take a look at Jenkins-X a little bit more. All right, everybody. Thanks so much. Bye.